everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. So here we are. This is a part of the program to remove grass and do native or drought tolerant plants. But how do you do it so that you don't just end up with a bunch of gravel or bark? And how do you make it look beautiful? Well, come follow me and we'll check this out. So we removed the grass out of the parkway here, and what we did was we made sure that we're going to have something for future drip irrigation. We created a border here. This is called a composite border, and so it will never wear out as a lifetime guarantee because it's made out of composite material. It's not wood. We made sure that we rototilled soil amendment into the entire soil area, and then we went ahead and planted some drought tolerant grasses. Now these particular ones are not native, they're native to Australia, but not to here. But they're super drought tolerant, so eventually once the root systems fill in and they get integrated into the ground, you need to water them maybe once a month. I mean, that's amazing. And then right now we're hooking up the drip irrigation. And so here's the drip irrigation. If you're going to do drip irrigation, this is what I would recommend. This is the Rainbird Copper Shield Technology drip irrigation. It's the 0.6 gallon per hour at 12-inch spacing. So 0.6, 12-inch spacing. This stuff is really the bomb because what it's going to do is it's going to emit a little over a half gallon per hour. That's if you have it on for an hour. We're going to only have it on for a half hour. So actually it'll be about a quarter of a gallon out of each hole, each 12 inches. And capillary action will pull it through so everything will get watered. And then we staple it down. We'll do another video probably once it gets installed, but before we put the mulch down. And that's another thing too, is once the drip goes down, every 12 inches, so we'll lay a line right next to the sidewalk, then we'll move over, and we'll do another line, then we'll do another line. Once we get done with that, then we go ahead and we put mini bark down. Mini bark attracts the mycorrhizal fungi, and basically, to make a short video, we'll just say it's fertilizer for the soil. And you should replenish it about once a year. So if you want more information, contact us. Check out our sign. Here's our phone number. And here's our website, enviroscapela.com. Thanks for joining.